So what's good, guys, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome again to episode 3. I'm going to take you through another profitable day. We managed to get a 1 to 2, 1 to 2 RR, and we are up 3.8%. So I'm going to take you through the trade. I'm going to take you through how this trade today came about. So well and good. This is my 1 hour chart, and I came here at around 9 a.m. in the morning, and the price was really pulling strongly towards this 1 hour order block, and I waited for confirmation of entry. Yeah, you get it. So price tapped my 1 hour order block and aggressively went up with a bullish engulfing candle in the 15-minute chart, and I saw that as an entry opportunity. So and that bullish engulfing candle closed, I was already in. So honestly, this trade had a lot of ups and downs. It needed a lot of psychology to go through it and make sure that you gain profits out of it. Get what I'm saying? So I was very much patient with it, because at around 12 noon, that is during the London session, price was consolidating so much that if you were not confident with your strategy, or you are afraid that price might come back, you could have closed early. But I remained on the market, never closed any position, never even closed partials. I was just waiting for my TP to get hit, because it's a 1 to 2 that I was actually aiming at. So price did what it did, and then eventually at 3:30, that is actually after the fakeouts of New York Open, price went ahead and hit my take profit. So this is how I took this trade. The reason why I took this trade is because my order block was valid. I waited for confirmation to enter into the trade with the bullish engulfing candle. When it closed, I was already in, and that was up. So 1 to 2, but needed a lot of psychology to maintain this trade. It took about 5 good hours for the trade to close, but I'm happy and we thank God, because our strategy has not failed us this time around, and we have made a 1 to 2 RR on our 5K challenge. That is about $100 profit. So that's what's up. So this week, if you are very much careful with the market and you know what you're doing, it needed a lot of stepping out and watching. So there were a lot of news events, including the war between Iran and Israel, causing a lot of funny volatility in the market. So your strategy maybe could not be working, and you thought otherwise and got in, and maybe you are smoked. So I've only traded Monday, Tuesday, and Friday. Wednesday and Thursday I was out because of the bank holidays in the US and a lot of GBP news that was there. So today I got an opportunity and I got in, and it worked so well. So that's how the strategy played, and I made a 1 to 2. So on my Funded Next account overview, this is what is happening here. We are about $191.18. So the last time we made a loss and regained, and we were back to 1.7%, and we added a 2% today. So we are 3.82%. As you can see here, we are at 191.18 profit, and we are targeting 8%, that is $400 on this account. Hopefully we shall reach there, if the market conditions are good, and soon we'll reach there. So that's what was happening today. I managed to make profit out of waiting, and my strategy playing out and giving me confluence of getting into the market, including patience. Most of us don't have patience when it comes to trading. That's why our trading doesn't work for us. And then the hopping from strategy to strategy is also another problem. People are hopping from one strategy to the other, which is not right. So that's what's up for today. I made $106. Let me just show you the trading overview. Right, so first, yeah, it was a buy on GBP USD and we made 103.35. The $3 is a commission, yeah. It's actually 2.73. It's the commission, so we are up 3.8%, almost halfway to where we are supposed to be to pass this first phase of the challenge. So thanks for tuning in. Make sure you leave a comment and tell me what you think about this video. Tell me your thoughts, and good. So hope we catch up in the next episode 4. Remember, I'll be showing you the transparent journey of this account from the first trade to the last trade. Okay, so make sure you leave a comment, subscribe, and like. Adios. Bye.